The shame workshop. I know that if you type shame workshop into Google, my shame workshop, 3 days in person in London, is the only one in the world of its kind. I only run this workshop in person, and the room size, the capacity is limited because working on your shame is one of the most powerful things that you can actually ever do to help yourself move out of a traumatized brain, mind, and body. My name is Carolyn Cowan. I am an embodied psychotherapist. I specialize in shame, abuse, trauma, and addiction recovery. And the shame workshop does actually hold hands, if you will, with the Mastering the Addictive Personality workshop. I wrote a book recently called Shame, The Path Out of Hell. It's available on Amazon, so you can read more about the way that I work with shame. At the time of making this video, I've been running shame work. At the time of making this video, I have been running shame workshops for almost 15 years. I run it twice a year in London. The shame workshop is intense, but there is no point at which you are allowed to tell your story. You come to the shame workshop to understand how shame works, to understand how whatever happened to you or whatever it was that you did, how that's playing out in your psyche, in your brain, and in your body. Shame is one of the most visceral emotions we can possibly experience, and throughout the 3 days, you will be doing personal work on yourself, not telling your story. You will be answering questionnaires so you better understand how shame works for you, in you, and how you act shame out. And you will come to the end of the 3 days with an extraordinary sense of relief. I can't really tell you more about the workshop because it is a very extraordinary process, and it has been refined and honed for many, many years. This year I ran my 29th shame workshop, and I know that the process works. But it's one of those things you have got to make the decision that you want to move through your shame. And I'm a therapist. The basic premise that I work with is if you can start to understand where your shame sits, how toxic it is making you feel and behave, how toxically it's making you feel and behave, you then have the agency to be able to start to make changes, to take yourself on. And if you are in psychotherapy, it will profoundly change how you have conversations with your therapist. I think in the architecture of the several signature workshops that I run, I think shame is the hardest. It is hard. You have got to choose that you want to deal with your shame. And we hold our shame very profanely secret. We don't really want to let our shame go because we sort of believe that if we do, we're not anybody. We don't have a skeleton almost. So really I say, if you're ready to do the shame work, come to the 3-day shame workshop. There are a lot of reviews for the shame workshop on this page.